can speak in front of people. And thank you so much, ma'am, for making encouraging and creating so comfortable environment to learn. And even now I'm nervous. Still, I wanted to come out from that. So I have learned many things. I am so confident now. I can talk in front of few people.
Already Vanar Chennai is here.
My experience is very big.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm basically from KGF near Kolar. I completed all my studies in KGF. I completed my BCom. As per my dad wish, he wants me to work in banking sector. I did my PGDBO in banking operations. I worked for 1.5 years in banking sector in compliance. It was very difficult and it was so pressure in sales. So right now I'm doing data analyst course in.
My name is Jovita Pandey and I am a software engineer, mainly working on software testing department. And I have been in Bangalore for more than 3 years now. I have completed my BTech from IT, and I am actually grateful that I have joined BAM's class. The main change which I experienced in myself was, as I was sharing it with her earlier also, I was very bad in watching news. I had zero knowledge and I was not interested that much. But now I am day by day I am becoming more interested in the current affairs. So,
What is today's?
Better now. Earlier even I was not able to speak in front of camera. Actually, one thing is good that I'm now the classes started over the video, so that is also a good thing. And about myself, actually my native is Bihar.
Where?
Madhubani, Bihar, but I'm brought up in Uttar Pradesh since my father was working over there. After completing my school, I went to Ghaziabad and completed my BTech from there. After that, I came to Bangalore, and since then I'm here. It has been more than 8 years now, and I'm working in an IT company as a UI developer.
I'm Shravani. Basically, my education and all, I'm from Hyderabad. My education and all from Hyderabad. 3 years back, we shifted to Bangalore. We have our own company. The manufacturing unit is at Hyderabad, and we recently started our corporate office here. Actually, ours is a gaming company. From the past 4 years we started. Again, in between I took break because I had kid and all. Again, recently joined into our own company, and I thought I'm a little bit in communication, HR and all. I lag in that, so I just want to improve in that sector. So I joined ma'am's class, and I feel I improved myself.
Shani, I am from Bihar, Nalanda.
Yeah, Sara, yahi aati.
So I completed my 10th and 12th from my village only, like that is Harnaut, and after that I moved to Chandigarh, like Mohali, and I did my BTech from there, and after that I moved to Bangalore and I joined a company called Experis IT, and through I was working as a tester there, and after that I moved in a development. So currently I am working in a tech system from past 6 years. So currently I have total 8 years of experience as a senior Java developer. So that's all about me. And I joined MAM classes due to I have a stage where I never got that what is this?
Opportunity.
Opportunity to overcome this fear. So I wanted to overcome my stage fear and all. So that is why I joined MAM classes. Thank you, ma'am, for everything. I learned a lot.
Please.
I am from Lucknow, but I lived in multiple cities and states throughout my life because my father's transfer. So means till 10th I live in Lucknow. So it was a very memorable place for me. And after that I moved to Punjab. It's Dasua near Hoshiarpur. So there I lived around 40 years, but there a college in Bhopal, then I do. After college, then I moved to Pune for job searching, then Mumbai, then Delhi. And after I got a job, there was a COVID. Then in COVID, I was at home in Punjab only.